Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how this Bauer angle grinder works. This is a 7 amp, 11,000 RPM, 4.5 inch heavy duty slide switch angle grinder. It comes with almost everything you need except for the wheels. It has a tool-free adjustable wheel guard. It has multi-positions twist handle. Let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Okay, we've got the instructions. We'll keep those, flatten those out. We've got the little shield that just snaps on with a little, like a clamp. That's kind of cool, so you can move your shield around to direct the sparks away from you. And a little 1/4 inch screw-on handle. It's nice to have that handle, it gives you an extra stability. And then, oh, heavy's good for me. There's the Bauer tool itself and the wrench to put on the cutting wheels. This does not come with cutting wheels, so I went out ahead of time, or I thought about this ahead of time, and I bought a 10-pack. And these are also from Harbor Freight. 10-pack gives you a couple big ones, 24 grit and masonry, 1/4 inch thick, and then 40 grits for the rest of them. Some are masonry. Today I'm going to go ahead and put on a 40 grit metal one. I've finally getting to a project I've had forever. Here we are in my messy garage. I'm organizing my workbench. And part of organizing it is to get rid of this old fluorescent light bulb magnifying lamp. It was useful back in the day. I liked it because I could see things better and bright, but it's broken. I've tried to fix it, can't fix it. And when I mounted it to my desk workbench, I did it with this and a screw strip, so I thought this would be a great chance to use that grinder to cut that off and put this thing on the donation pile so someone else can try to use it. Okay, the reason I'm going to make this video on the floor is because I'm organizing my workbench. So this comes with a heavy duty cord. It is polarized but not grounded, probably about 6 feet long, so it's suitable for work with an extension cord if you don't have it long, or a near plug on your workbench or wherever you're using it. And pull that off, discard that. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, before we put on the cutting wheel, I'm going to put on the little safety shield here. And there's one little trick for that. If you look at the ring, the inner ring on this, it has a little bump on one side of that. On this side, you're going to look for a little notch, and that is down there in the bottom. So I'm going to align that bump on that notch. I've already taken the outer nut off, so we'll do this. There, and that lets it seat all the way down. You want it seated all the way down so it doesn't interfere with the blade placement. And then we're going to go ahead and lock this down. Now really, you can see where it's adjustable all the way around. That little groove right there is simply to get it in place so it goes low enough. Then you can slide this to protect you depending on the angle you're working. So I'm just going to tighten this down like that. I grab my first cutoff wheel, put it on there, put my second one on to hold it in place, but of course it torques. So using that special tool, the wrench right there, put it in there, and again the whole thing clicks, so it turns at once. So I have to press this button, looking forward to, there it goes. I turned it until this button went in, then it's locked. So now I can go ahead with the wrench and snug it up. Okay, so we are loaded for bear, ready to go. The last thing you can do is put in the handle, and that can go on this side or this side. I'll probably take this off because I'm going to be working in close confines. Let's go make a cut. Okay, all done. It cut through that stripped pretty thick bolt head without much issue at all. This thing does have power. I chose not to use the extra hand grip, and it kicked back pretty good, so I would recommend to use that hand grip. That really helps you steady it. But the cutting power was evident, the speed was fine. The shield is nice that it directs stuff away from you if you choose to orient it properly. And cutting that bolt, I hardly used any of the wheel at all, so pretty neat. I don't remember exactly what I paid for this, but I will look it up. And this was, again, picked up at Harbor Freight. I'll stick a link down in the bottom where you can pick one up for yourselves or learn more about them. Overall, real pleased with the purchase. Nice looking, good feel. Recommend using the hand grip, and that's it. Thanks for watching.